Hey guys, gonna be going through today and changing some fans on my Strix cards. So like on this rig, this back one will just randomly stop and then start working and stop. So I'll be replacing that third fan there. Then in this rig, got the first fan that doesn't work anymore. Then we got the first one here, big time wobbler, still spinning. Got another wobbler on this one, but yeah, wobbles. So I ordered three whole sets, so I have some extras for later. I'm gonna start getting these torn apart and have some nice new fans going. Alright, so this isn't too bad. There was 3 screws along the side, one there, one in the middle, one on the other end, and then 3 screws along this side, so one next to the fan there, and then there as well. And that just pops right off. Super easy to get to our fans now. So I got a box, 3 sets of fans, so I have some spares for next time. Yeah, you can see that one spins nice, that one spins nice, one's a little dead. Get them swapped out. Alright. All back together. Did end up breaking a little clip where the fan header goes in, a little brittle, so be careful. Got to push down on this piece. You don't want to just go yanking it out like I did. And yeah, so push down there so you don't break that off. It stays in there pretty well now, so at least we have a new fan. Just did the back one on this one. When I first ordered these from AliExpress, I ordered 3 sets, and a 4th fan has now died, so I gotta kind of be sparing on which ones I'm replacing. But it would have been nice to just do them all while I was in there. You know, if another fan dies in a week or two, I gotta take it back apart again. But order more fans next time. Cool, on to the next 3. Second one done. Had to do these 2 fans. Knowing my luck, this one will probably die in a week. Yeah, both of these were wobblers on this one, so. Alright, 2 done, 2 to go. Number 3 done. Had to do these 2 fans. On to the 4th. Alright, 4th one is done. I had to do all 3 fans on this one because they had a little bit different style. They didn't have the little outside edge, so my OCD made me replace all 3. Get this one installed. Alright, last one, all done. So still waiting on a fan for this guy, for this Ventus. I ordered a couple pairs, front and back there. I have another one that needs a front. Getting pretty close here to having all fans working again. Have some 3060 Ti's that I just can't find fans for, so I have one with a fan strapped to it, but a little wintertime maintenance. Waiting on a few more fans. Probably officially get this to a matched rig, get this last card out of here, and this 3070, and get 2 more of the EVGAs in there. So it'll be an official matched rig. That's my next project. So thanks for hanging out today, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Later.